In this video, we'll walk through how tipping works in Talech Register, how to reopen orders, refund specific items without reopening the order, and printing employee reports at the end of the shift. When customers sign and tip on printed receipt, we need to adjust the tip on the order. If the customer signs and tips on device, there is no adjustment needed. Tips may be added from the closed order view by tapping a closed order and tapping Add Tip. Please note, the app will warn you when entering more than 25% tip in case the tip was entered incorrectly. This can also be done under the Settlement tab in the back office of the register. Adjusting tips this way allows you to add tips to several transactions at once. After all tips are entered and you're ready to batch or settle out at the end of the shift, tap the Settle Transactions button and tap Submit. This will send all pending transactions to your processor for settlement. You can print a settlement receipt for your records if you choose. Now let's see how to reopen an order or return an item. Start by tapping the Orders button from either the Register or Dashboard view. Toggle between opened or closed orders. You can use the Search button to find an order using a receipt number, customer name, or last 4 digits of the credit card linked to the transaction. Tap the order to recall it. Now choose between Return Items or Refund Payment. Return Items allows you to select one or more items from an order to be returned. Select the item, then tap Next. On the confirmation screen, choose the refund type to issue. Lastly, choose the receipt option for the customer to complete the transaction. Refunding a payment allows you to reopen an order so any adjustments can be made before reclosing an order. Refunding the payment is useful if the customer changes their mind about method of payment, if a discount was not applied, or an item was not removed from a ticket prior to completing a payment. In this example, let's refund a payment and reopen the order. Tap Refund Payment, then select the payment that needs to be refunded, and tap Next. For orders with multiple payments, you can select one or more payment methods to be refunded. Your order has now been reopened. You can print a receipt for this transaction if you choose. You can recall the order under the Open Order tab. Any adjustments to the order can be made the same as before. Daily reports are available on the iPad. Under the Reports tab from the dashboard, an employee can print a summary report at the end of their shift. The summary report within the app will include important metrics such as revenue collected, discounts, refunds, gratuity, tips, and more. User-level employee accounts are able to view the reports for themselves if granted reports permission. Admins and managers, on the other hand, can generate this report for all employees across all shifts. Employees can print their end-of-night statements if desired. As always, if you have any questions, our support team is here to help. You can email us at support@talech.com or give us a call at 1-888-995-1998.